The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hendersonville, or 9 miles southwest of Gallatin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Lakewood, Old Hickory, Hermitage, Green Hill, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.